Okay, for this example in Chapter 5 in the textbook at VSS, it moves into more using division and multiplication with fractions, and it's actually really straightforward. Division and multiplication with fractions is actually quite a bit easier than addition and subtractions with fractions. So if we start with multiplication, let's just make up a question here. 2/3 times 5/6. You just multiply the top, the numerators, you're going to get 10. Multiply the bottom, the denominators, you get 18. Now you might want to make that lowest term, so you think what number goes into both. So I can both divide them both in half, which would give you 5/9, and that would be lowest terms. That's it. Another quick example, 3/7 times 2/3 would be 6/21, which you can then divide both those by 3, would give you 2/7. That's it. That's how you multiply fractions. Kaboom. Now, if you're going to divide fractions, let's say you've got something like 2/5 divided by 3. I like to rewrite that just so we can visually see it as 2/5 divided by 3/1, because 3 is the same as 3/1. It's important to understand that. So let's just move this over here, and there's a little trick with dividing fractions that you just need to go, and I'm just going to change the color here. All you do is you just flip this. So I'm just going to rewrite this one, 2/5. Make it multiplying, because that's the opposite of division, and just flip these times 1/3. Bam! Flip these numbers. Change this to a times sign. Then it'd be 2/15, which is already lowest terms. That's your answer. That's all you have to do. Just as one more super quick example for that, let's say we had 3/7 divided by 6. I would immediately rewrite that as 3/7 divided by 6/1. And then we know, we'll just rewrite it, change the color there to stimulate your brain. 3/7 times 1/6, which would give us 3/42. And we know that 14 goes into 42 3 times, so that'd be 1/14. And that's it. Multiplication, division, fractions is pretty simple once you get a little bit of practice in the hang of it. Good job.